Brittany Mahomes recently called this product the best self-tanner she's ever used, and when someone with glowing, camera-ready skin says that, you have to wonder, is it really that good? There's something powerful about a natural-looking glow. It's that healthy, radiant skin that doesn't scream fake tan, it just looks effortless. Like a vacation glow with no sunburn. And that's exactly the kind of result people are chasing with the Dolce Glow Self-Tanning Mist. This isn't just another celebrity recommendation. Dolce Glow has been used by red carpet regulars, influencers, and now, curious people like us, wondering if we can achieve that kind of glow without a professional spray tan or hours in the sun. Right away, the mist stands out. It's light, fine, and applies evenly without the usual mess of self-tanners. There's no thick mousse, no sticky lotions. Just a smooth, ultralight mist that settles into the skin and starts doing its magic. It's designed for simplicity, and you can tell. After applying it to clean, exfoliated skin and letting it develop overnight, the difference is surprisingly clear. The color isn't orange. It's not patchy. It doesn't scream self-tanner. Instead, the skin looks subtly bronzed, healthy, even, and fresh. Like you just came back from a beach vacation where your only job was to relax and glow. And there's something even more impressive, there's barely a scent. While so many self-tanners come with that classic fake tan smell, Dolce Glow keeps it soft and almost floral. It doesn't overpower, and it doesn't linger. What makes this experience different is how natural the results look across different skin tones. For medium to deeper complexions, it enhances radiance without looking muddy. For lighter skin, it builds warmth without going orange. It's versatile, and that's rare with self-tanners. After a few days, the glow remains. It fades gradually and evenly, no flaking, no weird residue. With regular moisturizing, the tan holds its own for about 5 to 6 days. That's nearly a full week of glow without any touch-ups. What makes this feel like more than just a product is the confidence that comes with it. Glowing skin has a way of lifting your energy. It changes how you feel in your own skin, literally. Whether you're heading to school, filming content, or just lounging in sweats, radiant skin has this quiet power. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling refreshed, healthy, and ready to face the world. And when that feeling comes from a product that's this easy to use, that's something worth sharing. So if you've been looking for a self-tanner that actually works, that's beginner-friendly, that doesn't leave streaks or strange tones, and that gives you results even a celebrity would back, Dolce Glow is definitely worth a try. Sometimes, all it takes is one small ritual to feel like your best self. This could be that step for you. If you're curious about how to maintain this glow naturally or how to pair it with the best skincare to extend your results even longer, stay tuned, because the next video is going to show you exactly how to keep that glow going, no sun required. Thanks for watching, and remember, a real glow doesn't just come from what's on your skin. It comes from how you care for it.